So I want to be unequivocal, okay? Tether does what it says it does. It has one-to-one. It's onboarded with 150 law enforcement agencies around the world. Why do I know that? Because when we formed our relationship with them, we helped them onboard those institutions. We helped them do it. As you all know, every transaction on the blockchain is traceable, and Tether will seize any amount of coin that is involved in illicit activity. They will be caught. So whoever said things about Tether, they're knowingly false, they know it's wrong, and it needs to go away. All right, so why do I care about all this stuff, right? I run Cantor Fitzgerald. Why do I care? Because I care about America and dollar hegemony, the dollar being everywhere in the world. So you've got $100+ billion held in Argentina, Venezuela, and Turkey. If we go to a taxi right now in Argentina and try to pay, they'll take Tether. If you go to Turkey and go to a grocer, they'll take Tether because they don't want the local fiat currency because we all know it devalues massively. So I care about the 300 million wallets that hold Tether because those 300 million wallets are financing the U.S. Treasury's debt, right? They're buying, every time someone buys Tether, Tether buys a Treasury bill, and we're financing the U.S. Treasury's debt. So emerging market distribution of USDT is fundamental for backing our debt in our country, which helps us live in this beautiful way. So let me talk Bitcoin for a little bit. I want to be clear. I am a fan of Bitcoin. Of course, do I own Bitcoin? Of course I do. Cantor Fitzgerald and all of its partners are a fan of Bitcoin. Does Cantor Fitzgerald own Bitcoin? A shed load of Bitcoin. My view is Bitcoin, like gold, should be free to trade everywhere in the world. And as the largest wholesaler in the world, we are going to do everything in our power to make it so. Bitcoin is the same as gold, and Bitcoin should trade the same as gold everywhere in the world, without exception and without limitation. So Cantor is a rock star in the digital space, right? We support miners, we support power companies, we support data centers. We're here to support you if you're in the business of digital assets and crypto. We are here to support you. People, when I just walked in here, there were people coming up to me saying, thanks for the research, smartest research, best research. We're going to do all sorts of things that take care of you. So we are an investment bank that works hard for digital assets. We've raised billions of dollars, billions, for crypto and digital companies. I'll give you an example. Raised $100 million for BitDeer, $200 million for TerraWolf, Riot, Cypher. You know, we have a huge list. So if you want to do business in this space, you'll call us and you'll talk to us, and we'll take care of you. We host an amazing crypto conference in Miami in November. Not like this, though. This is like rock star, man. This is like the best. Okay. So why do I say all this in front of you? Because today I have an announcement to make. Cantor Fitzgerald is here to announce that we are launching a Bitcoin financing business. We will offer leverage to those who own Bitcoin. We are going to launch with $2 billion of lending. And once we put out the $2 billion of lending, we will go up in increments of $2 billion. You have to realize Cantor and BGC, its largest wholesaler, we finance and arrange vast amounts. And we are going to now build that ecosystem for Bitcoin. So the moral of the story is we are going to welcome Bitcoin into the financing family of the global financial markets, and Cantor Fitzgerald is going to be your sponsor. We will build the best platform for financing Bitcoin. We will work with the best custodians. We are committed to your ecosystem of Bitcoin. So, in closing, we are Cantor Fitzgerald, and we will support Bitcoin. Thank you, everybody.